welcoming being here today. I love coming up here because, you know, down in New South Wales, Sydney, it's doom and gloom, recession, everyone's, you know, I'm going to sell my car, I'm going to have to sell my house, all that. I come up here, it's all positive. It's not like you guys are in denial, but there's a genuine sense of optimism and positive, and anything's possible, and that's refreshing. So, look, how do we get here? We got here because AJ and I got drunk together in Perth and met each other at a conference, and I thought, here's a young guy who's really enthusiastic, very passionate. And I thought, this is really cool. And so went back to Sydney and became aware of some things that we were doing worldwide. Sorry, I just realised I'm back to very rude. Became aware of some things that we were doing worldwide, where we were launching a micro-enterprise development program. And basically why we started this program was, as AJ says, if you look at every economy in the world, small business or micro-enterprise businesses are the backbone of the economy. They simply are. They can take a country out of poverty. They can create new opportunities for employment. And we saw this opportunity, and we also realised that IT is a very important part of that. You know, if you take someone running a business, they need IT. They need to be able to manage their customer database. They need to be able to run their books. All those things that we do, that we take for granted every day. And we realised that they needed some help to be trained and to be educated on how to use it. So we set this up, set this initiative up. When I became aware of it, I thought, Northern Territory, perfect opportunity. This would be really good. So I spoke to AJ and spoke to Jack. And by the way, they're a really good combination. You've got Jack, who's quiet. Experience, been around for a while, mentor.
Catch him at Discovery every Friday.
I see these guys as a bit like Robert De Niro and Brad Pitt. The young protege. And so it's a perfect combination. So it's been a pleasure working with you guys. I mean, it started off as we've got this money and we've got to put you through this training, and it's going to be easy. We'll just give you a whole lot of PCs and we'll set this up. And as you know, we've you know, it's been a bit of pain along the way, but we've got here and it's been worthwhile. So well done, guys. It has been an interesting exercise. It's been a good learning thing for us, and you know, we're doing this in other countries as well. We're doing this in India, Philippines, Sri Lanka, as well as further afield. But this has been one of the best steps, especially for me because I've been told that. So well done, guys. And thank you again for the opportunity. And we look forward to see it up and running and see it working successfully. See lots of small businesses. The other thing I really like about this is quite unique to other countries. Most other countries are training small businesses and training micro businesses, but they're not training youth and they're not training Indigenous champions to go out to, you know, into communities and help them on IT. So this is unique and it's quite different, and I think, you know, that makes it really special. So we look forward to seeing it up and running. And thanks again, guys. Thank you.
Okay, well, that's the end of the formalities. We invite you to grab a drink. And what I would really like you to do, first of all, thank you to all the speakers, Grant and Mr. Burns, thank you very much. Grab a drink and come back in. What AJ is going to do actually is run a demonstration of the program. There's some stuff that's loaded on the PCs, sorry, the laptops on against the walls, and we'd encourage you to come and have a play with that. But AJ is also going to run a little demonstration how the actual training works and the technology involved. So I think we just have a 2 or 3 minute break, and then we can try and get those interested back in here. And if you want to have a look at a demonstration, please feel free to come and join us. And in final, thank you very, very much for attending. We really appreciate the support. And if you know of anybody that needs this sort of training, please get them to contact us. The best way to contact us is through our 1-800 number or through our website, www.becnt.com. Thank you. Please. Thank you so much.